Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Noor Arif Daniel bin Muhammad Zamri, and today I will present about Sri Jelutong palm oil, which is the meal that I choose for my virtual client visit. So, let's go. So, this is the overview for this company, Sri Jelutong palm oil. Sri Jelutong palm oil, a journey beyond tomorrow. So, this mill is located in Pekan, Pahang. So, this is Pekan. So, this company was established in 2011, being operated in 2012, and taking lead by IHSIS at 2017. So, this is a few information about this company, about the producing CPO. So, by taking lead by IHSIS, the production of crude palm oil and this company will be increased year by years. So, this is a few information about this mill. So, mill quarter. Employees depend, and the total one is 130. So, at the first, this mill was operated by 30 times per hour and been agreed in 2016 for 45 times per hour. So, until now, they have been increased about 75% times per hour. So, this is plantation figures. So, by increased years by years. So, this is a company demand. They want to produce more supply of crude palm oil to the customers. So this we can see the fresh fruit bunch is taking from their own plantation, which is 500 acre of palm plantation. You can see the process. So the primary product for this company, which is the crude palm oil and palm kernel oil. So this when the fresh fruit vine FFB been taken by to the mill for the several process, which is the key process for the milling process. So first, the fruit will be taken into the sterilization process. The fruit will be sterilized to kill the bacteria and to make the fruit more soft, to separate the palm from the bunch. So after separate the palm from the branch, the seed will be extracting and be pressing to create a crude palm oil and be taking storage into the oil tank. So this is a green interpretation. So you can see the process. So this company demand, which is they want to produce more and more about the crude palm oil. So you can see the processing capacity also increase years by years. So that's all from Sri Jelutong Palm. That's all. Thank you.